Hi, this is Tracy from Tracy Young Creative, and I'm just making a very simple slot book today. So you can see I've cut out from 6 centimeters from the end of a bit of a more durable paper. I've just cut a little tiny slice out of the middle. So I've folded them all together and marked where that 6 centimeters is. So the tougher paper I've made a slot, and the other paper I've made these very slender triangle shapes. And now I'm going to just wiggle the paper in through the slot, and just voila, really. And then you've got a simple book. It's 6 of the more gentle paper and 1 of the tougher papers, and yeah, you can open it out and it stays flat, and can work on it. So it's a really good simple way to have an A3 sized paper. Of course you can do it with any paper, but yeah, enjoy. Thanks for that. Bye.